Hey everybody, welcome to Anthony's School of Technology. Today we're going to cover Magic Info Cloud, but more importantly we're going to cover how to simply get your content uploaded to the cloud and then sent and deployed across your Samsung Smart Signage estate. So for starters, we simply go to sign in. So when you sign in, you will be prompted to go through a two-step verification. This is simply to ensure that your account stays secure and you won't have any unwarranted access. Once I enter my code here, you will then gain access to the dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, you will see some very helpful information. For example, you will be able to see how many devices across your estate are currently connected to your service. On top of that, it will show what's not connected, and if there's any warnings or anything you maybe have to keep an eye on, it will highlight that for you also. But that's a video for another time. Today we're going to focus on getting content onto your displays. Select content, select new, and then upload content. If you are uploading content, it will open up the file explorer of your device, be that Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, whatever. Once you've selected your content, it will ask you to confirm it in the window that we see here. If you're happy with that, select Start Upload. Now, the upload will vary in time depending on the speed of your internet and the size of the files that we're uploading naturally. Now that the content is uploaded, we will be able to access the said content from the content repository. So now we're going to select some of the pictures within the repository and create a playlist. Now, creating a playlist is not actually mandatory, but it is definitely a good habit to get into as it helps group all your content together. Particularly great for the likes of restaurants that need to separate breakfast from lunch content, etc. But anyway, select Add to my playlist, create a new playlist. Pick your software version that you want to use. I'm only using one type of display that uses version S6, so that's fine. And we go to click create. You will then be greeted with a screen that will give you kind of a standard allotment of 5 seconds per picture. This can be changed to suit your needs. You can also pull in extra pictures from the repository if needs be. Once you're happy with your playlist, simply select done and then click OK. Now that we're happy with the playlist, our next step is simply setting up a schedule for said playlist. Once you have the schedule created, you will be able to get your content showing across your entire Samsung deployment. So simply select schedule on the far left. There you see a list of some previous schedules you have. But we're going to create new schedule and we're going to select content. It will ask you to select your compatible Magic Info version that you wish to use. I went S6 for this. Then you're greeted by this calendar. Now you get a daily view, a monthly view, a weekly view, a list view. You can break it down whatever way you prefer. Now, like I was saying earlier, you don't need to have a playlist. You can simply select content that you have and you can drag and drop it in like I'm doing right here. You can pull the bottom tab to extend it throughout the day, but we're going to be a bit more organized and we're actually going to just put in our entire playlist instead. Select content on the top left under the scheduling tab. Select playlist, and once that's done, you will see all the previous playlists populate the screen as well as the test one we created together. Simply drag it to the desired date. You can pull the bottom tab to change the allotment for that piece of content on your displays. You can also set it to repeat if needs be. You can set it to never expire, run 24 hours. That's all fine. But once you're happy with your selection, you simply select save. That will save that piece of content's allotment. And then if you're happy with the entire schedule, select save again on the top left. You will then be asked to name your entire schedule. I'm going to call this test again. If you have your Smart Signage displays grouped out, you'll just select what group they belong to. But most importantly, guys, select Publish To. Select the name of your business. For me, this is simply called SSP. Once you select that, if you have any subgroups within there, such as like canteen, staff area, etc., select what section you want your content to display on, push Save and Publish, and you are done. Now your content will be showing on your displays. I really hope you found this video beneficial and that you can now enjoy the simplicity and control that the Samsung Smart Signage platform offers you in conjunction with Magic Info. As always, guys, it's been a pleasure. Anthony School of Tech, over and out.